So for this first set of examples, these are actually already going to be solved for x or y first, so we can skip that first step in that last video. So here we see that y is already by itself, it's isolated. And so my next step was to substitute the expression into the other equation. And so I have that y is equal to 2x minus 9. So that means since it's equal to that, I can replace this y with that negative 2x minus 9. So now instead of writing 6x minus 5y here, I'm going to have 6x minus 5 times this negative 2x minus 9. And I'm going to make sure I put parentheses there because that negative 5 is multiplying into it. And so, again, this y was replaced with this negative 2x minus 9 since y is equal to it. And now I have an equation that's all in one variable. So now I can actually solve this for x. I'm going to go ahead and distribute that negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 2x, I get plus 10x. Negative 5 times negative 9 gets me plus 45. Go ahead and combine like terms. So combine my 6x plus 10x. And so I get 16x. I'm going to subtract 45 from both sides. Oops, 16x is equal to negative 64. And then divide by 16. And so I get that x is equal to negative 4. So I got my first half of the answer. Because remember, my answer needs to be an ordered pair. So now I need to find my y value. Well, handily enough, I already have my first equation solved for y. So I can go ahead and substitute in my x equals negative 4 in for x here. So now I will have y equals negative 2 times negative 4 minus 9. So again, all I did was substitute in negative 4 in for x. Well, negative 2 times negative 4, I get 8. And so I have that y equals negative 1. So I completed step 3. I substituted my answer from step 2 to solve for the other variable. And now my last step is I need to write my answer as an ordered pair. Again, my ordered pair, my x needs to be first, and then my y. So my x is negative 4, my y is negative 1. Okay, let's go ahead and try that again. So here I have x is already isolated. I have x by itself over here. And so I know that x is equal to negative y plus 3. So looking at my top equation, that means I can replace this x with this negative y plus 3. So now instead of having 4y minus 12 equals negative 4x, I can have 4y minus 12 is equal to negative 4 times this negative y plus 3. And then I can solve it from there. So I can distribute my negative 4. So negative 4 times negative y, I get 4y. Negative 4 times negative 3, I get negative 12. Now subtract 4y from both sides. And now a weird thing happens. All of my y's cancel, and I'm left with negative 12 equals negative 12. Well, this is a true statement. This is true. So whenever this happens, that means there are infinitely many solutions. So I would see if I were to change both of these into slope-intercept form, they'd actually be the same equation. So if I graph these, they are going to be the same thing. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the next one.